Samaya mafethu. Yazi mafethu ngisemakhaya right now, Eastern Cape, ne? And then like I've been here for, I think manje it's 2 months full. Yeah, it's 2 months full now. Dilana, yabo. But what I've realized mafethu ne, yazi ukuthini, what I've realized la emakhaya bafethu anibala bonke abaspani actually, like most abasebenzi. Abaningi like bayasebenza, but the most abasebenzi. And nje bengasebenzi, so like ayikho into abazimisele ngayo. You understand? But avuka umuntu ahlale ngaphandle acamele ilanga, mamela music. Abafuna ispan, like abafuna ba creative, like ababheke government, like they want to government like abenzele yonke into. Yebo leyo nto. Because like batashe like mawumdala lana uthola grant, like there's this man uyitholayo, yabo. And then mawuntombazana bamitha, and then you get money. You understand? Mawudisable, and then you get money. So abantu bala the most abafuna ukusebenza, abanye bahlala nogogo babo because they eat imali kagogo. You understand? They eat imali kagogo, and they're like, uyayazi ukuthi okay, yazi nje ngihlala nogogo, I'm gonna eat imali kagogo. Yayibona leyo nto, I'm gonna eat imali kagogo. So akafuna umsebenzi, uzohlala adla imali kagogo ngelanga lepay bagcwale etown, and then kudliwe yonke la mali, and then thenga igrocery. But into engihlukumezayo iyi-one guys, ukuthi as black people like sokhula kanjani mentally and so inventa kanjani izinto, but if like asifuna usebenzisa imiqondo yethu and sifuna ukudependela ku-government. And trust me, abantu bale makhaya, la emakhayeni wami engikhuluma ngawo, they're gonna vote for ANC. Trust me, they're gonna vote for ANC because ANC ibanika ama-RDP, yabanikeza ama-toilet, yabanikeza ile-grant abayiholayo. So yabona ukuthi laba like they always become ama-beggars we-politicians. So they will never leave ANC no matter what. No matter like emagoli singakhala sithini, but anibala they will never change, guys. They will never change. Like bayinikezele life abayiphilayo la. And it's very sad mawuzobona umuntu omdala like ongafuni ukwenza lutho ebomini, like noba umbhekile uyambona ukuthi lo muntu lona like azange even nasesikoleni. I'm not saying isikolo sibalekile, but I'm saying ukuthi sometimes ezinye izinto you need ukuthi ukhiphe umqondo wakho, ukwazi ukuthi ube creative, ukwazi ukuthi ube align nomhlaba. But bona abanayo riding there. And it's very crazy because me, I'm used to work, I'm used to always be on the street. Even though like I'm like Makai, I always do the same.